Hey, good afternoon. This is T. Evans with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you a 2023 Bennington 22 LSB smoky granite with the blackout package. The blackout package, of course, is the anodized black rails on the exterior. This particular boat's getting a 150 Yamaha. Hadn't been installed yet, but it's here and ready to be installed. Climb aboard, take a look at the graphite interior, the granite accent. Here's your nice swing back, nice transom walk through, stainless steel gate. Here's your swing back that can flip rear facing, so you can sit rear facing and lounge off the back of the boat. This particular model we did the co-captain's chair on. So instead of the co-captain bench exchange, we did the chair on this particular model. So I got several in stock with both. Moving over here to the helm, we got the 7-inch Simrad, RGB lighting, the Rockford PMX2 upgrade, upgraded captain's chair too. Of course, nice diamond pressed upholstery. Moving up to the front, got 80% cutout, kicker speaker upgrade. Again, diamond pressed in the front, 2 portable cup holders. 80% cutout on the port lounge. Nice walk-through up front. Nice forward deck space for kids to jump on and off. Again, this is a 2023 Bennington 22 LSB in smoky granite with the blackout package, powered with the Yamaha 150. Give us a call, 864-236-9005. Have a great day.